Are you struggling to organize and analyze your business data? Say hello to Syncfusion's Angular Pivot Table, a powerful component that transforms raw data into a well-organized and summarized cross-table view. Easy to analyze table with totals, averages, and more are all automatically handled for you. To make analysis even easier, enhance your table with pivot charts, offering over 19 chart types to visualize your data and make insights clearer. Editing made simple. You can add new records, update existing ones, or delete unnecessary entries. Need quick changes? Inline editing lets you update data directly in rows. Prefer a detailed form? Dialog editing provides a structured way to update records. Make multiple changes in one go with batch editing. And use command columns for quick actions like save or delete. Plus, update raw data directly from the pivot chart. Just click on a data point and make changes with the available editing options. Connecting your data is effortless. The pivot table integrates seamlessly with local data, REST APIs, and popular databases like MySQL, SQL, and MongoDB. For deeper business intelligence, it even connects directly to OLAP cubes. Handling large datasets? No problem. Just turn on paging to break data into pages, keep things running smoothly, and customize page sizes if needed. Want it even faster? Virtual scrolling renders only the visible rows and columns, loading new data as you scroll. Additionally, smart data compression makes sure even 1 million records load in just a few seconds. Want to dig deeper into your summarized numbers? Use drill down to expand the details, while drill through reveals raw records behind each number, all in a handy pop-up grid. You can freeze row and column headers to scroll and compare them with cell values. Finding the right info is easy with built-in filtering options like member filtering and Excel-like filtering. And if you need data that meets specific conditions, value filtering helps you filter by numeric values, showing only rows that meet your set threshold. Sorting is effortless. Quickly arrange rows and columns in ascending or descending order. Need custom sorting? You can easily do that too. The Angular Pivot Table makes data organization simple by automatically grouping dates and numbers. Use the field list to drag, filter, and sort fields for your pivot report. With the grouping bar, you can drag fields into rows, columns, and filters for dynamic grouping. The toolbar provides easy access to features like switching between pivot table and pivot chart, conditional formatting, exporting, and even customizing it to show your favorite tools. Tooltips guide you with helpful info when you hover over different parts of the table. Want to change the aggregation type in your pivot table? It supports built-in options like average, count, and running totals. You can also create custom formulas with calculated fields, like multiplying amount and quantity to find revenue. Formatting numbers is simple too. Choose currency, percent, or your own custom style. Need to highlight important values? Use conditional formatting to change cell appearance based on your conditions. Plus, adjusting row height and column width is quick and easy. If you want it to resize automatically and avoid cutting off any text, use the Adjust Width based on columns feature. Organizing your pivot table is a breeze with the Reorder feature. Just drag and drop column headers to arrange them as needed. For more control, you can manually adjust column widths using column resizing. And text wrap will make sure long text fits by automatically adjusting row height. Want better readability? Use text align to align text left, right, or center. If you need to hide any overflow text, Clip Mode has you covered. You can also choose to show or hide grid lines, grand totals, or subtotals to keep things neat. Plus, you can click on a hyperlink cell to retrieve specific information and perform custom operations programmatically. Interact with data seamlessly using multiple selection modes. Select a single row, multiple rows, a column, or specific cells, depending on your needs. And when it's time to share, export to Excel, PDF, or CSV with ease. You can even export pivot charts as PDFs or images, and print all pages in the pivot table component. The pivot table adapts to any device, whether it's a desktop, tablet, or mobile. Accessibility is prioritized, adhering to YARIA standards for an inclusive experience. Keyboard navigation is available for power users, enhancing productivity. It also supports localization and globalization, ensuring compatibility with different languages and cultures, and offers built-in themes to match any app's design. Ready to organize and summarize your raw data into Angular applications? Try Syncfusion's Angular Pivot Table today, and helping you make smarter decisions faster without all the heavy lifting.